Hey, what's up, loves? If it is your first time tuning into my channel, welcome. If you are tuning back in, you done been here before, you are already one of my lovelies. Welcome back. So y'all, today I have a human hair wig, a straight human hair wig for y'all. So and she is nice and long and affordable. I'm gonna give you guys the deets in just a moment. First and foremost, let's handle business for today's meeting. Let me get my gavel. Boom, boom. All right, so first up, I would like to give all of those who have not become officially one of my lovelies yet by subscribing. It's free. It is free. But you are not official until you press that subscribe button, boo. Yes. So go ahead and press the subscribe button, and while you're at it, don't forget to tap the alert bell. That way you won't miss out on any of the action that we have going on up over this way. All right, my love. So again, welcome to my channel, and I'm your girl, lovely angel lady, L to the A to the L. What's up, y'all? So today's video, I'm super different, y'all. I'm very bright today. I didn't do like baby hairs and all that. No swoops. No swoops today. Ooh. No swoops today, y'all. But we wanted to keep it simple and not take too much away from this chica here. So let me tell you guys the deets on this wig right here. So this is a PNEX, PNEX lace front wig from a company on Amazon. Right here. Boom, boom, bam. Y'all see that? PNEX on Amazon. I don't know if that's PNEX or PNEX, but yeah. So she is 18 inches. She has a 4x4 lace parting area up in here. I went with a middle part. Y'all know what I'm doing. Straight wigs like this, I might do a side one. Most often than not, I roll with the middle part. Let me give y'all the deets on her. So she is Brazilian virgin human hair, straight. Nice and very soft and silky. I did put heat in her, so it kind of calmed her down a little bit. I used my Chi straight guard to protect the hair so I wouldn't burn it with the heat, because I used a real hot flat iron. And then the wig density is 150% density. Doesn't seem like a whole lot of hair, especially once you flat iron her. But I always say, if you like more on the natural side, then you'll probably love wigs like this. But she is not for those of you who prefer lots of bundles. You know, when you rock your units, you run really full. This diva is very cute, very straightforward and simple, but she is not like super full enough, you know, to just throw on and go. You can rock her pretty much anywhere. She is in a natural black color, and she can be dyed and bleached and everything because she's human hair, obviously. I did not, you know, put any color or anything this time. I just wanted to rock and roll with something, you know, a little simple, straightforward today. Is there anything else I could tell y'all? It says she has baby hairs, but I didn't try to style any or feel for any. And I did see some, you know, little short hairs up here. Maybe one day I might want to rock her like that, but I wasn't putting no curls and nothing in her. I was just rocking her straight. So I said, you know, we're going to roll like this today. So I used my wax stick to let a little frizzies down because she did have some little short hairs up there at the top sticking up, some little Tweety birds, what I like to call them. But yeah, pretty straightforward. You can wand curl her. You use a little hairspray you want the curls to hold. But yeah, no smell, no funny smell. She actually smells washed. So, and a lot of the time, like, especially if I'm rocking like wavy hair, I'll wash it beforehand. But I just wanted to really give y'all the real deal. Show y'all what you're really working with. Show y'all pretty much the unboxing from, you know, beginning to end of me unboxing her and styling this chica. So, yeah, but she is, how much is she currently? Prices are subject to change. Just putting it out there, y'all. $95.99. Not bad for an 18-inch human hair wig, though. Okay, so she's under $100. But yeah, I wanted to keep the hair like super simple because I'm rocking like this super bright orange today, y'all. It's like an orange jogging suit, and I have on orange makeup. This makeup is from Mayo Makeup. I'm going to link that. It's their pigments. I love their pigments. They're so bright, very well pigmented. But yeah, I used the orange today. But yeah, I'll put that below. They have little pigment stacks. And I think they're based here in Nevada. I think they might be in like Henderson or something. I'm not sure. Yeah, y'all know I'm in Vegas. So anywho, I hope y'all found this video helpful. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm going to show y'all how to style this chick, and then y'all can roll on about your business. So enjoy the music, my babies. Enjoy the music, my babies. Yes. And your girl is going to catch you soon. I just wanted to go ahead and give the deets to y'all. I will link everything. I will put all the information for y'all in the description box below. But just showing y'all my contacts again from Bouillon. These are the iris green. They have brown and green in them. So, yeah. And these are probably like the most comfortable ones that I think I've had from them. I think I have a astigmatism, but I don't get the prescription ones. Like if I want to, I could actually wear my glasses with these. But yeah, y'all, let me go ahead and let y'all watch the rest of the video, see how I style sis. Really straightforward, simple. And your girl is gonna catch you on the next one. Later. Bye, my loves. Oh, and don't forget sharing is caring. Please share the video with all your family, friends, and loved ones. Also get in the comments and holla at your girl. All right, y'all. One. Inside of you, just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about
simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes. Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.